Hi everybody, Happy New Year! It's the time? Nope, it's a few months ahead. Do you know something about Chinese New Year? It's the most important time of the year. Join us to explore the Chinese New Year. Today we will travel to China to explore the rich traditions that have been passed down from generations to celebrate the holiday. People get together and welcome to New Year with customs. They travel back to their homes and families in Chinese to feast on a delicious reunion dinner. They will take the transportations like high-speed train, airplane, and cars. Here is the monster called Nian. Long time ago, it scared villages in Chinese New Year's Eve. And here is the traditional Chinese zodiac. One animal stands for 1 year. This year, 2022, is also called Tiger Year in China. They are rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, sheep, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. During the holiday, we will do Spring Festival shopping together. There are many wonderful things. And here are the lapa porridge and rice cakes. People will make rice cakes together. Also, before New Year's Day, we will clean our house together. It means sweeping out the old in preparation for this coming year. This is the Chinese tofu. We can make it by these two stone mill. The most important is the New Year's Eve dinner. It's the time for family reunion. It's a big dinner. Many foods like egg rolls, noodles, and shrimps means the wealth and fortune. Kids can wear the new clothes. After dinner, it's time to watch Spring Festival Gala. We can see many wonderful shows here. This is the most popular thing, red envelopes. The elders will give the younger generation red packets for the new year. Money is inside. It symbolized luck. About the decoration, we will paste the spring couplets and the paper cards of windows. They are all stands for the Lunar New Year. Fireworks pop high in the sky. That's amazing. And what can you guess? This is the firecrackers we played in the new year. For kids, there are also smaller fireworks and firecrackers. Dragon dance in the street is the best thing that we like for the Chinese New Year. The Lantern Festival is also the part of Chinese New Year. We will have many kinds of lanterns and we will eat sweet dumplings. No matter where you live, you can join the Chinese New Year. Lunar New Year is open to everyone. We invite you to learn more at our website.